Hi, my name is Preeti. Today I am going to explain another theorem, which is theorem 6.5 from triangles. If one angles of a triangle is equal to the one angle of the other triangle, means if we have two triangle like DEF and another triangle is ABC. So it is saying that if two angles are similar, like it is given that angle A equals to angle D, okay, and the side includes these angles are proportional. So this includes, this means they are talking about this side and this side, and their proportion means ki AB by DF DE equals to AC by DF, AC by DF. These two things are given. So then that two triangles are similar. So what we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, or we can also say that angle B equals to angle E, means this should be equals to E, and angle C equals to angle F. If we will able to prove this too, that means we can say that angle ABC and angle DEF are similar. Okay, we are also saying it as SAS, side angle side similarity criteria. Okay, so we will, for this we will do one construction same as the previous theorem. Put P on line DE and Q on line DF, so that AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ, and we will join P and Q. So what we construct? AP equals to DP and AC equals to DQ. Okay. Now from triangle ABC and DPQ. Okay. These two sides are similar and angles is also similar as per given. Okay. So side angle side similarity criteria, we can say that angle these two triangles are congruent. So angle ABC congruent to angle DPQ, or we can also say that angle B is equals to this angle P and angle C equals to angle Q. We can make it as 1. Okay. Now as per our given equation, AB by DE equals to AC by DF. Okay. So what is AB? Here AB, this is AB. So AB is DP. So we can make it as DP by DE equals to AC. What is AC? AC is DQ. DQ by DF. Okay. So now DE by DP equals to DF by DQ. Okay. Now we can also write it as DE by DP minus 1 equals to DF by DQ minus 1, or DE minus DP by DP equals to DF minus DQ by DQ. Okay. So what is DE minus DP? DE minus DP is PE by DP equals to DF minus DQ. DF minus DQ is QF. So QF by DQ. Or we can also write as DP by PE equals to DQ by QF. Okay. That means DP by PE equals to DQ by QF. So from here we can say that DP is parallel to, PQ is parallel to EF. Fine. If these two lines are parallel, that means keep angle P equals to angle E, right? So angle P equals to angle E and angle Q equals to angle F. Fine. So make it as 2. So from equation 1 and 2, what we can say? Ki angle B equals to angle P, and here angle P is angle E. So we can say that angle B equals to angle E. So angle B equals to angle E. And here angle C equals to angle Q, and here angle Q is angle F. So angle C equals to angle F. Angle C equals to angle F. The same thing we have to prove, correct? And one angle is already given there, ki angle A equals to angle D. And the other two angles, B equals to E and C equals to F. Or also we can say that ki ABC is similar to triangle DEF, correct? So this theorem proved now, correct? So if you have any doubt, you can put in that comment section. Also, please like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.